Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Jeffrey Gomez. I'm 30 years old. I'm living with my partner, and we have 1 year, 2-year-old kids, boy, and I graduate at Negros College for 4 years at Business Office Administrations.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters and 1 brother, and I'm the second of the family members.
Do you have any experience as a housemaid?
Yes, sir. I have experience for 6 years. I taking care of two childrens, 5 months old girl and 4-year-old boy. I do clean the house and I cooking also.
Okay. So, in Hong Kong, if there's a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Yes, sir.
In your previous employer, do you work in 6 years only one employer?
Yes, 1 employer, sir.
Okay, what is that employer? It is Chinese or Filipino?
A
What?
Chinese, sir.
A Chinese. So, do you cook a Chinese food also?
Yes, but
What?
sometimes, sir, we cook Chinese, but they love Filipino food.
Okay. So, what kind of Chinese food did you cook before?
Vegetable blanch, fish, fish steamed
Oh,
fish.
okay. So, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I like to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn more money to give to my family financially.
Okay, who will take care of your children when you work there?
Will take care of my children, my husband, and my mother too because we're near.
Okay. So, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check. I will check the baby's diaper. If it is wet, I will change it. But if the baby is still crying, I will check the temperature also.
Okay, do you know how to sing a lullaby?
Yes,
Can you sing now?
lullaby. But I don't know lullaby, but I know the wheels on the bus.
Okay.
Like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels in the bus go round and round, round unto the land.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, because we have dogs and cats in our home.
Okay, do you love cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
So, can you rate yourself? Is good or excellent?
It's good, I think.
Okay. So, if ever the children is very naughty, what will you do?
I will I will encourage them to sing a song, or I will encourage them to say the words ABC or count the numbers.
You have a long patience for them, and are you willing to find their attention?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know how to read book stories for them?
Yes, sir.
Can you give sample of book stories title?
Like a turtle running on the road.
Okay. So if ever you're the first timer, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you work there in Hong Kong, so how can you avoid your homesick?
To avoid my homesick, I will tell myself that we need money for our family, and I will tell myself that my family in Hong Kong is our employer.
Okay. So if ever you work in your employer house and then there is an elder person, are you willing to assist all their needs?
Maybe, sir. Yes.
Okay. Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, sir.
You have tattoo in your body?
Yes, sir.
In which part?
In the arm, sir.
Can you shoot to the camera?
Yes, sir. This is.
Only only one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever the employer have a car, do you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever the newborn baby is bathing, what do you need to prepare?
If the newborn baby is bathing, we need to prepare towel bath, soap, and warm water. And while taking care of their ears, nose, eyes, and mouth to spill the water.
Okay. If ever the children is sick, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, put their heads baby cooler, and I will tell the mother to bring the hospital to check up.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. I hope you hired me. I'm a good person, honest person, and honest person, and willing to work under pressure.
And you promise to finish your tourist contract in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you.